Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back. Rudy here with your Yard Service. Hey, if you're new to this channel, welcome, and let's dive right into this. So today we have a November day, and as you can see, we have snow on the ground, but I was smart, Rudy was smart this time, and I shoveled off some areas where we actually can split wood. So anyways, so introduction to this video, we have a little stash of Aspen and Poplar wood right here. So that's the project for this afternoon, just a small one. And we have the Wallenstein WXR720L, which is the highway rated version, because it comes with lights and all that good stuff. So we have that, 27 tons of splitting force. There you have it, 27 ton. And I think today we can get away with a single wedge because those rounds are rather small, and we're gonna stack them right over there. I think that space should be plenty. Just to this small row there, stack it up. So that's our little project for today or this afternoon, and I'm gonna strap you on and you'll ride right along. So that's a wrap, guys. We have stacked all this Aspen and Poplar wood. You see, it's gone. That's where it was. Right there. All gone. I know. I should have put it on the pallet because, as you may saw, there was some chunks of soil and mud on some of the logs. Of course, it's frozen now, so it's not coming off. Anyways, so this is done, and this was another great winter edition with the Wallenstein WXR720L. Very nice splitter. I do recommend it, although I have to shim up that one side where I stand because for my liking it's a little bit low on the splitting table height. So that's why I have to shim it up basically, so I can I don't have to bend over that much. But as you can see, it's gets a little bit dark quickly these days. So that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and I hopefully see you in the next one. Over out. This is Rudy here with your yard service. If you wouldn't mind, thumbs up, like this video, share it, comment. What kind of punky wood did you tell me to chuck out and not to stack? I know there were a few. Anyways, over and out. See you in the next one. Bye.